Setting up a payment gateway in Practice Better can seem a bit tricky, but I'm here to walk you through it quickly so you can start accepting payments smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear step-by-step process that'll make it all look easy. Stick around, because I'm also going to show you a competitor solution that might actually be better for your business in the long run. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Practice Better account and go straight to your dashboard. From there, head over to your settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're in settings, navigate to the Payment Settings section. Next, click on Payment Gateway to start the integration process. Here, Practice Better gives you a few options. You'll likely be choosing either Stripe or PayPal, so I'm going to walk you through both of those setups. For Stripe, all you need to do is click Connect with Stripe, and it'll take you through the standard Stripe authentication process. You'll enter your account details or create a new Stripe account if you don't already have one. Once connected, Practice Better will automatically sync your Stripe account with your profile. The next thing to do is configure your settings for payments. You can choose to charge clients for a single session, packages, or subscriptions, and even configure automatic payments for recurring sessions. This is where you'll define how your payment flow works. Moving on, let's talk about PayPal. If you prefer PayPal, the process is almost the same. Click the Connect with PayPal button, log in to your PayPal account, and authorize Practice Better to sync with PayPal. After this, just like with Stripe, you'll be able to set your payment preferences and manage your payment options directly within the software. Now, after setting up either Stripe or PayPal, there's one more critical step, making sure your clients can actually pay you. You need to configure your booking settings to ensure clients can choose their payment method at the time of booking. You can enable or disable different payment options depending on your preferences, and you can also set up invoices if you need them. The fourth thing to mention is security. Both PayPal and Stripe have built-in fraud prevention and security measures. However, it's still important to double-check your account settings to ensure everything is locked down. Practice Better does a good job of integrating with these services, but it's always wise to ensure you're following best practices for payment security. Finally, after everything is set up, do a quick test. Schedule a dummy appointment with yourself and try to pay using the payment gateway you set up. This will ensure that everything works as expected. But here's the catch: while Practice Better does a great job with payment gateway integrations, it's not the best for everyone. For some, especially those managing multiple clients or needing more advanced billing features, you might want to consider alternatives. I've got one in mind that not only has a similar payment setup, but also offers superior functionality and integrations for client management. Now, I'm not here to just leave you hanging. I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you check out the link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial of Practice Better, plus exclusive benefits you can't get anywhere else. But if you're looking for an even better solution, I'll make sure to leave a link to a competitor software that's actually more powerful for these types of tasks, and they've got a free trial too. So make sure to grab that free trial through the link below and check out the alternatives I recommend for your payment gateway needs. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.